In this video, we are going to be looking at the market profile charts section in the menu options which we have. The market profile chart section is the first one in the top left corner of your menu section, right? Now, the first thing, okay, you've got to notice over here is the instrument setting is right here, okay, and you have a range of instruments over here arranged in alphabetical order. All your futures, options, everything is over here. So just in case, okay, you want to pick up any option, say about 18,400, okay, you just use the search bar and you would be getting all the options over here. You can choose anything over here. You can also scroll down and see any option of your choice over here. So we have, okay, the Nifty would be the futures, then the spot, okay, would be TPO based, volume based. Also we'll explain, okay, the difference in subsequent videos. And the same thing goes for Bank Nifty, as well as you have a range of stock options, and all the options of these stock futures would also be listed over here. So this is the instrument panel, and to the very right of it is the TPO size. It's a very important parameter when it comes to your market profile chart setting. So this is the default setting which we have, and you can increase it or decrease it by going over here. Right now, what I'm doing over here is I am using the scroll wheel of my mouse to either zoom in or zoom out of those profiles. So if you require better visibility, just scroll through your mouse and you could get a zoom in zoom out option on these screens. Now to the very left, at the bottom, you have the time frames. So by default, okay, it is a daily setting for all the profile charts, but if you require a weekly, then you just have to click on the W and you'd be getting a weekly profile loaded of that particular instrument. So this is the weekly profile. Right next to the W is a weekly underscore S, which is a weekly series. Now that calculates the profile from a Friday open at 9:15 a.m. to a Thursday close of 3:30 p.m. And you also have a monthly series and a yearly profile also. So a quick look, okay, at what has happened in the yearly profiles also would be on your screens. You would be getting the entire profile loaded for the entire year as a TPO, right? So you get to see the past few years over here. This is all of 2022, 2021, 2023, and again, okay, you can use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out of these things. Now the T over here at the bottom, I'll go back to the daily profile, and the T over here is your TPO. If you want volume numbers, okay, to show up, you want your volume profile, okay, to show up, then that would be the T hyphen V. So you would get your volume over here, right? And if you want the volume numbers to go below the profile, or below the profile covered, okay, by the TPOs, then okay, you have to use your volume profile. It's mentioned over here what are the settings for these. If you just want the volume profile without the TPO, then this is the setting over here. And if you want VN, would be your volume numbers. If you just want to see what is the quantity traded at each and every single price level, then that setting, okay, would be VN. On the GV to the left is your global volume. If you untick it, it goes away. If you require to see the numbers, then GVN, okay, would be your global volume numbers. And against a click, okay, you can see this is very useful if it for composite profiles, etc. You can get to see the volume which is traded against that instrument. So the ones, okay, in the left bottom, okay, would give you all the time frames as well as the optionalities within the profile charts. Now to the extreme right, if you zoom in into these profiles during the day, you would, okay, be getting live updated volume traded, as well as the VPOC. The VPOC, okay, we measure through a pink colored horizontal line, and the VWAP, okay, is through a green colored line. So anytime, okay, you're not clear of any particular level, you can use the tooltip feature and focus, okay, your mouse, okay, on that particular level, and it would show up, okay, next to the screen. So this is the pink one, okay, which is the VPOC. It will give you the VPOC number, where the VPOC is. the VPOC volume and what is traded over here, right? And in market hours, you can click on this live option, and you could have all this displayed, the volumes of the A period, B period, all the TPOs that can be displayed very conveniently over here. You also have an option of using a multi-window setting right from here. So in case okay, you need to see the Nifty and the Bank Nifty together, that you can do through this setting over here. So you use this. This is available okay under a premium plan. So you can okay go up to about four different profiles and have okay four different instruments loading simultaneously over here. So this is the overview of the market profile chart section. It's the first one at the top of your menu.